At the risk of repeating myself, I have had an even higher high peak on the i1500. I'm going to just leave my phone here. There's not a whole lot of commentary going on, but this is the Heli 2.0. This is the i1500. You can see on here again. Now, this is my new high peak, 3297. Again, this number here, this 161 amps, that's because I accidentally shorted the terminals. That's how that amperage peak happened. It's not accurate. This one, the amp and watt peaks on this one are accurate. But I'm going to leave this filming for just a few minutes just to kind of show how these two turbines are comparing to one another in the same wind. Again, they're 30 feet from one another. They are not sharing wind. They are, outside of the other's line. So neither one's interfering with the other. If any of them were interfering with it, the wind's kind of coming out of the north, and the Heli is on the north side of the i1500. I just want you guys to see the outputs side by side, just to show which one seems to be doing more work and holding that wattage. Oh yeah, wind speed right now at 10 meters is approximately 25 miles an hour, which I'm not very good at the math. 10 or 11 meters per second, 11 meters per second, somewhere in there. We have gusts getting up to 50 miles an hour. Sometimes just a little bit over that. So these are the kind of numbers we're seeing. 25 miles an hour with 50 mile an hour gusts occasionally. We're going to shut it down in the next little lull that we get. Jeez, it's just holding. All right, there's nearly 12 minutes of that. Let's look at yeah. So the Heli rectifier. Man, I cannot get the camera to where it's somewhere else. Parts of the Heli rectifier getting close to 200 degrees. That's another thing. The i1500 seems to be making more power over time and running cooler. Get that screw. It's all about 200 degrees, which I really don't know what safe operating temperature for that thing is. A little thermal, or not thermal, solid state relay down there, 70 degrees. Battery connection, 70 degrees. This one would be for the Heli and the i1500. Those terminals about 70 degrees. Battery's running about 80. 24 volt battery, about 80. Inverters are all running 85 to 90-ish, which is fine. I don't even know why I'm checking that. That shouldn't matter. That's ambient. Ambient. So all my connections are staying pretty cool. The bundle of wires is staying pretty cool. That's the hottest part of it, is the rectifier for the Heli is running 195 degrees. 130 for the i1500. Everything else is just barely higher than ambient. So, alright. Well, that at least gives a run to kind of show you guys a little bit about how they're competing with one another, how they're not competing, comparing to one another. So, more updates to come. I'm sure I'm going to come out. The wind is supposed to get even higher briefly in about an hour. I'll probably come out tomorrow morning with even new highs. So, good night, guys. Thanks for watching.